Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one other base Faucet website. You can claim your free Ethereum from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are free way earning websites. Okay, this is the website. This website pay you 24 Ethereums every 7 minutes and pay you 25 time claim per day. Okay, it's very easy. This will be pay you instantly in your Faucet Pay. Go to your Faucet Pay, copy your Ethereum wallet address from here and come here, paste it, and just come down and just click login. Okay, after that you just solving the capture. It's very easy capture, just solve the capture. After that you can claim your free cryptocurrency instantly in your Faucet Pay. Just click claim. Okay, solve this capture too. Is a 3 and 2 and 5 and it's 3, 2, 1 and 5. Just wait 3 seconds. Just click get reward and you will be sent you to your Faucet Pay. Go to your Faucet Pay and you can see this website pay me instantly in my Faucet Pay. Thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description. Bye bye for now.